Hello and welcome. This is Dan. In today's video, let me just show you my demo account and my small live account. That is my real account. And for the demo account, I'm using Trader 5, and you can see how much I just managed to make right over here. You can see it's still running, so I can just decide to close this. Yeah, so this is demo actually, but I just every time we just make a live trend, I must make a demo trend so that I can just time both of them. Yes, now you can see my history right over here. So let me just go to the last, from the last month up to now. You can see I was given a demo of $100,000, and I am able to raise up to 8,000 USD. Let's just go to the live account. Maybe you're asking yourself, where's my live account? So my live account is just, this is very small actually. Is I deposited only 2,000 Kenya shillings, but as you can see right over here, it's just rising, and I'm able, yeah. So let me just show you the history, how much I deposited from last month. So you can see I have been able to deposit like $34. I made 8.68 profit, and now I have deposited again 16.69, and my balance is still very high. As you can see, my balance is now reading at 19.43 at a profit of 2.8. So I'm really going to close this because I think $3 is enough. Yeah, when you have 2,000, 3 to 400 Kenya shillings is good. So I'm going to close right here. So just close that. Yeah, so close that, and then you close that. Let's see the profit now. Now you can see I've been able to make a profit of 11.11 by just depositing 34. Yeah, that's crazy, right? So it is good actually. You can see all this profit of 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. I mean the withdraw all this. So actually, yeah, there's something I was just testing. Although I have a very big account also, I have another account, yeah, but you can see my balance is still, after depositing 16.69, this is now my current balance, as you can see over here. So if you just wanted to learn how just to trade on the forex, you can just contact me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description below, and you can take for there's basic class, there's mentor class, and there is also the last class. I have 3 classes that just runs. If you just want to take the first class, second class, and third class, then you can just contact me, even if you just want 2 or 1. But for the first class, you'll be able even to trade, because I also use Binance. On that we will be learning a lot. So I have a lot of people who are actually willing to learn, and we are on the progress, and they are really making a good amount of money, as you can see also. Yeah, so that is it. Subscribe to this channel, like and share. Let me just know what you think in the description below. See you next time. Goodbye.